I am a man, and yes, I have gone to the gynecologist.
I personally never liked the OBGYN, even way before I transitioned.
And I was feeling nervous.
If you are a trans guy, it is recommended that you go get regular checkups with the gynecologist.
Trans men, as a group, experience higher rates of cervical cancer. This happens because transmasculine people avoid pelvic exams.
Sometimes we have to do things that aren't so fun or comfortable, but it's important for our health, so let's go.
I walk into the women's clinic, and women are starting to stare at me like, what is this guy doing? Like, is he here with his pregnant wife or pregnant girlfriend? Like, we don't see him with some pregnant lady. Like, why is he here?
So basically the appointment was fine. It was just regular, the usual. I mean, you know, uncomfortable, but it was alright because I knew that she was totally accepting of me.
Dr. So-and-so comes in and he's super, super, super cool. He just comes in, he's like, oh, hey, Mac, how you doing? And he's like, yeah, so let's like talk about your history. Yeah, so like when was like your last period? When was that? When was this? And he's like, yeah, so you've been on testosterone for like, okay, cool. Like how long? He's like, yeah, I've seen a lot of guys, like trans guys are like one of my specialties.
But you know, this is the doctor that specifically likes to help LGBT patients, so I wasn't having a heart attack or anything like that.
No longer having a period and not having vaginal sex does not exempt you from the need to get PAPs.
She got like a narrower speculum because, you know, testosterone makes things a little more atrophied, and she already knew that she should get a smaller one, which was very nice of her.
If you can't find an OBGYN, one that feels safe near you, if you have any LGBTQ clinics near you, places like that will be really, really accommodating and respectful and great for trans bodies.
The moral of the story is, you guys should go get checked out, go through whatever efforts you have to do to find somebody who can help you properly. Don't put it off and end up with a health problem.
It is still an important part of your health, and you should do it.
Bring somebody if you think that'll help. Just try to be calm.
It's possible to have a perfectly fine experience if you go through some legwork and track down somebody good, even if you have to travel a little bit.